Hello friends, welcome to one more interesting aspect of motivational skills, and the topic for today's discussion is punctuality. Punctuality means being on time and accomplishing all your tasks on time. Now this is a very crucial habit that every professional must have. If you finish your task in time, there are huge benefits of this, ladies and gentlemen. If you finish your task on time, you will have enough spare time to think about other important activities in your life. If I specifically talk about job related responsibilities, the specific task related responsibilities, if you divide your task in such a way that you are able to accomplish the designated task in time, then definitely you will have some spare time to think about more creative and innovative things. And if you are not able to finish your task in time, you get delayed. It means you won't have extra time to think about creative and innovative things. The task at hand will never be accomplished successfully. What will happen if the day's task is delayed? The task is taken over for the next day. But there is a problem here, ladies and gentlemen. If the task is postponed for the next day you will be having extra burden. Because next day, that particular day's responsibilities will also be there. So you will have to accomplish two responsibilities. First, that day's specific responsibility plus the pending responsibilities of the previous day. It means your workload will be more. You will be overburdened, and at the end of the day, you will be highly tired. And in such a tireful situation, you cannot think about anything creative and innovative in your life. You can't even think of doing something that enhances your growth inside your organization. And why it happened? Only because you were not able to accomplish the task on time. So this is the crucial aspect of being punctual all the time. You need to divide your time in such a way that the day's task is finished on the same day. You don't carry over a day's task to another day. This will spoil your next day also. That's why try to finish up your task as soon as possible. Doesn't matter how much is the burden of the task. Divide your time in such a manner that a day's task gets finished on that particular day and you don't carry forward the task for other day. Because in corporate sector, ladies and gentlemen, your success, your increment in salary is always decided by how much perfectly you perform on a single day. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is what corporate people look for in their employees. How capable is the employee of accomplishing most of the responsibilities in a single day? If they find some employee who is able to perform well in a single day, who is able to accomplish large number of responsibilities on a single day, he is considered as a highly productive employee of the company and he is given consistent chances of promotion and consistent increment in salary. Opposite to this, if you are habitual of delaying the task, if you are habitual of postponing the task for next day, it will spoil your own professional credibility, plus it will be a huge setback for the organization for which you are working. Because if the task gets delayed for the next day, the big projects cannot be completed in time. And if the big projects are not completed in time, it will be a huge financial loss for the organization. And if the organization comes to know that this financial loss occurred because of you, because of your misbehavior, because of your ignorance, you will be fired from the organization. And ladies and gentlemen, please remember one thing: when an employee is fired from any organization, he cannot again apply for the job in the same organization anywhere in the world. He is out not from that particular city where the company is situated. He will not be allowed to appear for any kind of interview of that specific company in future also. you will be a blacklisted candidate, a blacklisted employee for that organization. So please don't let that happen. Please always be punctual. Try to accomplish as much of your task as possible in a single day. Always try to be proactive. Try to take responsibilities proactively. Try to find out that what is pending and try to finish it as soon as possible so that you are never overburdened with the task. It will establish your professional credibility inside the organization. Your seniors, your superiors will respect you for this, and you will get growth opportunities consistently inside the organization. Your seniors will always think about your promotion, about your increment in salary. So punctuality is a very good habit, ladies and gentlemen. Try to develop this habit in your personality and you will definitely see positive changes in your life. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, Er.Piyush Pandey, trainer B.Tech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.